再来看这83届金球奖已经公布，这里奥纳多主演的《一战再战》是摕到最佳音乐加最佳导演等等4项奖项。原来这甜茶提摩西·夏勒梅呢已经入围第4届，这届总算是摕到喜剧类最佳男主角。
And the Golden Globe goes to Timothée Chalamet.
因为外音互人讲做是甜茶的提摩西·夏勒梅，过去4届入围金球奖拢无摕到，这届总算伫个怀枪狄龙的影片当中，一路乒乓冠军榜的少年人这个角色，摕到音乐甲喜剧类最佳男主角，也互30岁伊称作是上少年的金球影帝。伊上台的时也考死家己一个。
Well, my dad instilled in me a spirit of gratitude growing up. Always be grateful for what you have. It's allowed me to leave this ceremony in the past empty-handed, my head held high, grateful just to be here. But I'd be lying if I didn't say those moments didn't make this moment that much sweeter.
对手里奥纳多虽然无得奖，不过伊主演的《一战再战》有9项提名，落尾摕到最佳音乐，也是喜剧类、最佳影片、最佳导演、最佳剧本加女配角等4项大奖，是影上侪的得主。原来剧情类最佳影片是颁予改编同名小说的电影《哈姆奈特》，华人导演赵婷上台领奖的时阵，也阁唔敢相信。
Let's keep our hearts open, and let's keep seeing each other, and let's keep allowing ourselves to be seen. Thank you.
互阿的展现光彩，也有 K-pop 雷蒙女团，这部 Netflix 放假摕到最佳动画长片加最佳原创歌曲2项大奖。影片金曲 Golden 关唱伊这领奖的时阵流目屎，因为伊总算行出过去声音长期互人看伊无的黑影。
It's a dream come true to be part of a song that is helping other girls, other boys, and everyone from all ages to get through their hardship and to accept themselves. So thank you, Golden Globes, for accepting my voice and our voice.
伫影集方面，《混沌少年时》是上车影，摕到最佳迷你剧集，也是电视电影最佳男主角、男配角加女配角等等4项大奖。这回互人封做是演戏奇才的16岁英国籍童星欧文库珀，伫个艾美奖了后，搁再摕到男配角，也创下当时摕到艾美奖金球奖上少年得主的纪录。公司新闻詹慧敏编译。